Hi folks, welcome to Blackbeard's Detailing YouTube channel. Today what I'm going to do is a very quick talk through on how to remove bird poo etching from ceramic coatings. The equipment you're going to need is very basic. You're going to need a polish which is designed for use on ceramic coatings. This one is Capro Essence Plus. Make sure you don't buy Essence, it needs to be Essence Plus. Essence Plus is a dualing polish with zero abrasive compound within, and it is designed for use on ceramic top coats. Then you're going to need a clean, dry microfiber and possibly a polisher of some sort, preferably a DA polisher, not a rotary polisher. I've got a customer's Ford Raptor which was ceramic coated a good few months ago. He's messaged me and says I've got bird poo etching on the bonnet, so if I can take that out, so we'll join you outside in a wee second. So here is the bird poo etching there. We want to pick it up on the camera. First thing we're going to do is clean the affected area. So take your choice of quick detailer, or of course you can do a safe wash on the car, and gently take away any of surface contamination that's there. Again, we're only doing a tiny wee spot repair on this, so you don't need to wipe away a huge area. And that should leave that able to be seen right there. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is take the Essence Plus and put a tiny wee dot on the end of your microfiber cloth. So literally that. So let's try and catch that on the camera. Just a tiny wee, not even a pea-sized amount, and then dot it around where the bird poo is, and very gently, using almost no pressure whatsoever, just go round in a circular motion, and again no pressure at all is needed. Now, for those who don't know what Essence Plus is, Essence Plus it's a top coat non-abrasive, and they call it a dualing agent with hydrophobic energy. What it is it repairs the kind of ceramic coatings and nano coatings, and also adds a layer of protection. So now that that's been buffed, the damage that's there actually on the coating should be completely removed. The bird poo which was on will have affected the coating, but it's not gone through the coating, it's not affected the clear coat. So the ceramic coating's actually done its job. It's the sacrificial layer to the clear coat, which is mega expensive underneath. What needs to be done with this particular product, the Essence Plus, is it needs to sit on that car for half an hour before you buff it off. So I'm just going to leave this for half an hour. I'm going to set my watch timer, I'll pop back and I'll buff it off. So that's it's been about 35 minutes now, so I'm going to take it off. There we go, absolutely zero trace that there was ever any bird poo etching there at all. Well folks, thanks very much for watching. If there's any other questions, you can hit me up on YouTube. You can search for Blackbeard's Detailing on Instagram or on Facebook, and you can message me through that way. As you can see, it's very, very simple. If the hand application isn't enough to remove it, if the etching's a bit deeper than that, then you might need to move on to a machine. Do not use a rotary machine, use a DA, a dual action machine, and minimal downward pressure, literally just the weight of the machine on the area which is to be rectified. Don't press down on that because you will cause damage to the coating. Allow for that curing period as well, because what it allows is it allows the actual the layer of sea quartz coating which comes in that polish to actually penetrate the substrate of the existing coating which is there. Again, I'm getting into kind of surface technology at this point in time, but you can either look into that further or just trust me, you need to leave it for half an hour. Don't just put it on and buff it off and go, that's it, perfect. It needs time to settle into those wee valleys that are microscopic and harden over. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you've got any other how-tos you would like, just get in touch and I'll do my hardest to film them. Thank you very much for watching again. Thanks.